Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're signed in and ready. Now open the Team's desktop app and click your profile icon in the top right. Once done, choose Manage Account or Settings to confirm your displayed email and username. This is often the simplest Teams ID to share. If you prefer a profile link instead, open the People or Chat view, locate yourself, and right-click your name. Make sure to use the account people expect. Sharing the wrong account creates access confusion later. Next, get the concrete ID to send. If you right-click your profile in People or Chat, choose Copy Link to Profile to capture a direct Teams URL, paste it into a message. If a profile link isn't available, copy the email address shown under your account details. Teams uses that as an ID. For scheduled contact, schedule a meeting, open meeting options, then copy the join link from the event details. Each method ensures recipients can locate or invite you directly. Finally, deliver the ID and confirm success. Paste the profile link, email, or join link into chat, email, or a calendar invite, and ask the recipient to open it now so you can verify their view. If they can't connect, make sure your organization allows external access and that you shared the right account, then regenerate the link or resend the correct email. One key troubleshooting tip: if a link fails, sign out and back in. Then copy a fresh link. This often clears stale permissions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.